Good morning, ma'am. This is Kik Sigornis, and this is our report, Group 17, Maranao Tribe. So, people of the lake, the Maranao are an indigenous Muslim group in the Philippines, Lanao region, renowned for their rich artistic cultural heritage. They are distinguished by their intricate ochre wood carvings, brass, metalwork, and the vibrant Malong textile. Their culture is highlighted by the Darangin epic singkil dance and the iconic Sarimanok symbol. So ang Maranao kay usa ka indigenous Muslim nga grupo nga nagpuyo sa sa Lake Lanao sa Lanao del Sur. Nailani sila tungod sa ilang kadato og nindot sa kultura ug sa ilang mga forma ba, sama sa ochre o mga detalyadong wood carving, mga hinimo sa brass ug ang mga color nga anang mga panapton. So location, they live around the Lake Lanao on southern island of Mindanao. Clothing sa women upper, bangkala. A long sleeve shirt often matching the color of the trouser for formal occasion. Sash waistband. Men often wear a sash or waistband over the upper garment, especially during festival like the Sagayan. Lower, sawal or trousers. Traditional loose-fitting trousers, sometimes referred to as silawar or sawal. Malong or over trousers. For formal wear, the malong alandap, a prestigious tubular garment with langkit bands, is dropped over the trousers. And the last is katampi, the specific style of men wrapping the malong around the waist. Colors. In 2026, men often prefer darker shades of red and magenta for ceremonial malongs. Next is accessories women. So, kumbong, atin head wrap or veil typically made of Muslim, a white kumbong or lilit, especially signifies that the wearer is a hajjah, a woman who has completed the pilgrimage to Mecca. So ang kumbong kay nipis ni siya nga panapton nga iputos sa ulo o kanang murag veil, kasagaran gikan sa sa Muslim. Kung puti ang kumbong, kitawag po na siya, tawag ni siya glilit. Pasabot ni nga ang babae kay hadja, nga ang babae kay hadja og nakahuman na siya og pilgrimage to Mecca. So next, sangkad, an intricate ornate crown or headdress sculpted from silk and brass. It is prestigious piece often seen in traditional dances like the singkil, where it identifies the lead dancer as a princess. So ang sangkad kay usas ni siya kanindot nga corona o headdress nga gihimo sa sa seda o brass. Simbolo na siya sa taas nga status sa kasagarang makita sa sayaw like singkil. Next man is gora or jukit, a traditional knotted cap often featuring intricate gold embroidery signifying elegance and status. So ang gora o jukit kay traditional nga siya, kaalo nga gi kanandit, a wide decorative hand woven sash used to secure the garment and hold ceremonial items. So ang kandit kay lapan ni siya nga sash nga hinimo pinagi sa hard weaving. Gamit ni sa ano paghawid og sanina og usahay ano sanang sabitan o gano ceremonial nga bulang. Next is unong, a traditional ceremonial dagger tucked into the waist representing heritage and cultural identity. So ang unong kay traditional niya nga sundang nga gibutang sawa. Pero dili lang sa dekorasyon. Simbolo po niya sa ano kultura sa lang ano sa Maranao. So subgroups Iranaon, people of the lake, Iranon, southern Lanao and coastal areas, Miriagatien, Ilana Bay, Bulucaon, Sultan Commander. Religion, Islam as the core. Maranaos are known for their strong Islamic faith, with Marawi City being a major center. So ang Islam mo ang sentro sa lang ano kinabuhi. Ano sila nang sugis lag pagtuo ba og ang mga Marawi City usa po ni siya ka importante nga ano sentro sa Islam sa ilang kultura. So language, Maranao is an Austronesian language spoken by the people of the lake in Lanao del Sur, Lanao del Norte and surrounding areas in Mindanao, Philippines. It is heavily influenced by Arabic, Malay, and Spanish. Common greetings include Mapia Kalpipita or good morning, Mapia Gagawi or good evening, and Bolos ka welcome. Next is livelihood. Agriculture or rice farming. This is the primary source of livelihood involving both intense wheat rice farming in floodplains and dry rice cultivation in areas. They also grow corn, sweet potatoes, coffee, and peanuts. So, mo nilang panginabuhi. Rice farming. Then, lake fishing. Due to their location around Lake Lanao, fishing is a traditional and essential source of income to supplement agricultural harvest. So, pangingisda. Handicrafts, metalworking, and woodworking. The Maranao are renowned for their craftsmanship, including brass casting, such as gador, jars, and wooden carving, often featuring intricate ochre design. So, mugama po sila mga metalworking o woodworking. Next, handloom weaving, malong. Women play a key role in the economy by weaving, particularly the production of the malong, a traditional tube skirt which is significant home-based industry. Next is trading and entrepreneurship. Many are now engaged in small-scale businesses running sari-sari stores and are active in selling dry goods and farm products. So, daghang Maranao nga nagnegosyo sa like sari-sari store og pagbaligya og mga dry goods og farm products. Example, si Muhammad adunay sari-sari store sa lang barangay Marawi City. So nagbaligya siya og like bugas o asukal o mga gulay nga gikan sa gulay nga gikan sa lang sa ilang uma. Next is cultures and tradition. Rich culture rooted in Islam, the darangin epic and vibrant artistry. They possess a distinct social structure headed by sultans and datos, characterized by intricate ochre or geometric floral wood carving, malong weaving, brassware, and traditional Torogan houses. So, courtship, kapanganakan or serenading. A group-based serenading activity traditionally performed at night. Unlike individual serenading, a group of boys visits girls' home to sing. The girls gathers her own group of female friends to receive them. fostering mutual feelings between the two groups. So ang courtship kay or adili, ang example sa courtship is kapanakan. So example, gabi si Muhammad ug iyang mga barkada nangadto sa balay sa babae nga nangadto sa babae og nanganta. Ang babae pod uban sa iyang mga amiga, maminaw og nakig-interact sa sa grupo. Next is kandao nga or pananaroon. Description: formal introduction and conversation that often use ancient poetic language, primarily practiced by prominent families. This stage is used to narrate and trace family lineages. It allows the suitors group to formally explain their purpose and intention to the lady's family. So example ani kay ang pamilya ni Muhammad nakigistorya sa pamilya sa babae gamit ang formal o poetic nga sinultian. Then next is mediators. Respected negotiators or go-between who facilitate communication between families. Mediators are essential because direct interaction is often restricted. They handle the preliminary discussion regarding dowry, mahar, and work to ensure the suitor's proposal will be welcomed before a public announcement is made. So, ang mediators ay example ani kay naay ilado sila nga respetado sa komunidad nga mao'y makipag-istorya sa duha ka pamilya aron hisgutan ang down or mar og kasal. So love letters, naming love letters sa to. Next is pre-emergent stage or kapangilaylay. The initial southern searching place where the man's family visits the woman's family. So ang example ani kay ang pamilya ang pamilya ni Muhammad dibisita sa una sa balay sa babae aron makaila o makita niya kung angay ba siyang mahimong pangasawa. So next is marriage, arranged marriage and courtship, often arranged for social or political reasons, involving formal visits by the groom family to the bride family to discuss the union. So kasagaran ang kasal kay arrange na siya, labi na kung importante ang status o connection sa pamilya. Example, ang duha ka pamilya nagkita og naghisgot sa kanang mahitabo nga kasal. So apil ang plano og responsibilidad sa ilang mga side ba na. So the dowry, a significant, often high-value gift from the groom's side, ranging from substantial cash to properties, which is presented to the bride family. So, ang dowry kay ang lalaki maghatag og dako nga regalo like kwarta, yuta o hayop pa na diya, baboy, baka, sa pamilya sa babae. Example. Example sa'yo na kayo na. Next is what is this? Next is pre-wedding rites or dialaga kandari is the formal pre-wedding ceremony where the engagement is officially announced to the community. It is often a grand event involving a convoy of the suitor's family traveling to the bride's home with gifts. This rite serves to merge the two families and finalize the marriage agreement. A key feature is the bringing of loads of sweets or delicious in decorated basket to the girl residence for royal or prominent families. This can be a week-long celebration designed to maintain family pride and social standing. It is also the stage where the dowry mar is often finalized or formally presented. So So ang pre-wedding o ang dilaga ay kiniyang formal nga engagement nga kanang ginabuhat sa komunidad, na parade, convoy, ang pamilya sa lalaki padulong sa balay sa babae. Dayon na napos like dala nga mga pagkaon o kaya gifts. Next is kawing, the wedding ceremony. Kawing or kakawing is the actual wedding ritual or solemnization ceremony. It is the most sacred part of the process, typically officiated by an imam or religious leader. So ang kawing kay kini ang pinaka-importante nga party sa kasal nga ginahimo sa imam. Dire gi-confirm ang kasal pinaagi sa ijab o offer ba. O sige ni kining kabul or acceptance po. Dahil ang para to. Next is celebration on the third. The event is grand social gathering with large feast, traditional performances, dances, songs, and attendees in elaborate traditional Maranao attire. Maranao weddings are historically grand, often lasting several days or week for royal families. Kay traditional features include the kasal sila, the ritualized narration of the couple's genealogy, and the money dance where guests pin currency on the couple to help them start their new life. So ang celebration na nata is human sa kasal, mag-celebrate sila og dako nga handaan like na sayaw, mga kanta. So ang mga bisita po magsuot po nagtraditional nga sinina like malong. Next is modernization. While retaining core Islamic and cultural values, modern Mindanao weddings are sometimes held in large function halls, feature contemporary decoration, and involve more modern social and interaction. So karon ang ubang kasag is ginabuhat na sa function halls o na mga modern decoration, pero padayon gapon ang tradition sa tradition o Islam nga values. And next is burial. Immediate burial. Adhering to Islamic tradition, burial is done as soon as possible to honor the deceased and fulfill religious obligations. So sa Islam pa kinahanglan ilubong din ang patay nga lawas. So preparation of the body, a relative or designated person washes the body, which is the wrap in the white shroud. So ang lawas kay hugasan og balutan og puting tela. So next is burial rituals. The body is placed directly into the ground, often in a grave with a naichi, without a coffin. So ni siya diretso ibutang sa yuta kasagaran ani kay walay mga kabaong. So mourning and commemoration. A 40-day mourning period is observed during their Islamic holidays. Families visit graves, clean them, and offer prayers and food for the souls of the departed. So ang sige ni morning ni siya sa naay 40 kadlaw nga sige na pang so kalimot mo kaya. Next na lang ta. traditional customs. For prominent members, anosonan, a mini house-like structure may be built to honor them historically. A pre-burial dance kadaulat sa Miaitay was performed, though many modern ulamas, scholars object to this practice. Sorry ma'am nga, nalubot ang cellphone. So, example ato is, meaning ato is, para sa importante nga tao, maghimo gano usunan, or ang usunan is murag gamay nga balay sa lubnganan. Next is, community involvement. Villagers are informed of the death and the community supports the bereaved family, often involving shared meals. So tabangan tabangan sa komunidad ang pamilya nga nawadan. And thank you ma'am.
Belief. Islam and traditions, gina-follow nila ang Islamic beliefs pero ginakip gyapon nila ilang old customs and mixing ways of lives. Tunongs they believe in spirits, guardians nga nagpuyo sa nature like lakes, forests, and special places. These spirits kuno daw kay nag-connected sa nature and it also can affect how people live their lives. Animistic beliefs, they believe that everything has a spirit or soul, sa tawo, sa animals, sa trees, sa land, kay tanan daw na ay own life force. Superstition, they have old beliefs that habits that they follow to stay safe or bring good luck. Example, gina-avoid yun nila nga mga lantaw sa full moon magabi because they think maoy nagdala og malas, or magdala na sila anting-anting para maprotektahan nila ang kagalingan from evil spirits. Folklore and epics, the Darangin is their main tradition story. It is very important to who they are and it shows their history, values, and beliefs. Social structure and identity, they are grouped into clans ruled by leaders called datus. They work closely together as one community and their culture and identity are closely connected to Lake Lanao. Art and culture, their art and design shows their mixed and rich culture. Famous works include the Sarimanok, a special bird symbol, and detailed carving in wood. Products, malong, a colorful cloth is long and tube-shaped. Both men and women wear it by wrapping it around their bodies. Pwede ni siya suoton as a skirt, dress, blanket, bag, or even a head covering. Brassware, gador, and tabak. They make metal items using special skills. Gador is a big decorated container used to store rice or tobacco. Tabak is a serving tray. Ochre wood carving, bore, and panalong. They carve wood with detailed patterns called ochre. This looks like leaves, vines, and flowers. Bower is a wooden chest used to keep valuable things like clothes, jewelry, or important family items safe. Panolong is a carved beam used to decorate the top part of traditional royal house. Sarimanok, special symbol that looks a colorful mythical bird. It's very important to their culture and represent their art, history, and beliefs. Kampilan, a long sword with a decorated handle. It was used as a weapon in the past, but today it is also considered a beautiful piece of art. Festivals, Pagana Maranao or traditional fest, special gathering or kanang meal held para i-welcome ang guests and honor important people and shows their culture and food. Sagayan Festival, celebration every July. It shows stories from the Darangin Epic, especially about a hero named Dato Bantugan. It is done to bring peace, unity, and keep their tradition alive. Musical instruments, kulintang, a set of small gongs that play the main melody or tone. Agong, a large gong that makes a deep, low sound. Kung ang agong motingog nagkusog, ang tanan sa village, kabalo na sila nga nay meeting ba, celebration or emergency. So it helps everyone to stay together and informed. Dabakan, a drum that is played with bamboo stick, so maura ni instrument nga dili gong. Babendil, a small gong helps players stay in time with each other during long performances. So during sa long dances or songs, ang babendil makes soft regular sound so all the musicians play together perfectly. Kubing, a small instrument made from bamboo, so gina-play ni siya sa batanon kung gusto nila magpakita og interest silang gusto, or gina-play po ni nila para magama og music and gusto sila mag-enjoy sa ilang free time. Gods and or deities, Allah, highest God that they believe in, following the teaching of Islam, and also they believe He is the creator of everything. Tunongs, spirits that protects families, warriors, and special or sacred places. They believe ang spirit nga nagpagbantay sa ilang balay to keep their families safe from harm and bad luck. Apaw sa lanaw, before sila moadto para mangisda or mag-travel sa lake, ang mga tao kay mag-pray sila ning spirit moas og ila ang safety og ila ang pangisda. Diwata sa lupa, kung ang mga tao moadto sa forest para mo-collect og kahoy og prutas, mag-pray na sila ani nga spirit para mo ask og permission ug mag-thank you sila sa ilang makuha. Bantugan, a hero from the stories who is the brave and strong. Siya ang gina-example sa good warrior and leader should be. Raha and Indarapatra and Sulaiman, two famous brothers who are heroes in their old stories. They are known for protecting their people and land. Sarimanok, even though it is a bird symbol, kay ga-represent og holy and special figure sa ilaang culture. Rituals, kaparisan, every year mag-gather ang families to remember sa ilang loved ones nga patay na. Magampo sila o magbutang o magpagkaon o bulak sa ilang altar and magdungag kaon para magpakita o respect. Pagalamatan, so before sila mag-start og business, mobalhin og bagong balay or mga bagong big project, mo-perform sila ani nga ritual to ask their ancestor for help o protection. Salo-salo, a big meal or mag-gather ang tanan para magdungan kaon para i-celebrate ang happy events. Dances, asik, mga dancer magsuot og nindot nga cloth og magamit og payong or fan, maghinay-hinay sila og lihok same anang servant or doll trying to please a royal leader. Single dancers step in and out of fast moving bamboo poles without getting hurt, then mapakita po sila og laing-laing way nga suoton sa malong. Kinakalungan, mauni nga sayaw na magpakita og beauty and grace sa Maranao women, magamit ang mga lancers og decorated umbrella and move like noble ladies walking with styles. Foods, piyaparan a manok or bakas, a signature Maranao dish using chicken or manok or smoked fish or bakas, cooked in a coconut milk, turmeric, and sprinkled with coconut flakes. So Maranao din siya chicken curry diri sa tua. Palapa, traditional condiment used in almost every Maranao meal, made from pounded sago or scallion, ginger, chili, and turmeric. Doodle, a very famous sticky and sweet delicacy made from rice flour, coconut milk, and brown sugar. Tribal system of governance. Sultan, the highest leader who rules the community or group. He makes important decisions and leads the people. So the Sultan is like the king or the leader. He speaks for the community, makes rules, and leads during important events. Radya Muda, a helper or advisor to the Sultan, he gives a good advice and helps manage the community's affairs. So he works closely with the Sultan to make sure everything runs smoothly. He helps with tasks, plans, and solving problems for the people. Dato Kali, the main judge who solves legal problems and arguments between people. If two people have a disagreement or problem, they go to Dato Kali. He listens to both sides and makes a fair decision to solve the problem. Councils of Elders, a group of wise and experienced people who give guidance and advice to the leaders. When leaders need to make big decisions, they ask the elders for their opinions. The elders share their knowledge and experience to help leaders make a good choices. Education. Maranao education combines formal state schooling, English or Filipino, with traditional Islamic or madrasa education. Integration, local arts, and community project for holistic development, literacy, peace, and resilience. Here are the 3 notable people from the Maranao tribe. Adel Tumano, a Filipino educator, lawyer, and former politician. Samira Gotok Tumawis, a civic leader, journalist, women's rights advocate, and legislator who served in the regional legislative assembly of the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao. Abul Khair Alonto, a lawyer, businessman, and a former chairman of the Moro National Liberation Front.